Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, SkyHigh Car Audio, and others. Hey, how you doing, man? How you doing? Yes, sir. Doing good. So, what's your name and what's in here, man?
I'm David Woodson. This is 2011 Ford Flex. It's a 2CV Sundown X's X.2s. It's on a Salt 4.
All right.
Just ran off Yinland.
Okay. How much lithium?
105.
105. Okay. Any size upgraded alternator?
It's a 270 from Custom Electronics over there.
Okay. Who built the box?
Some local guys, Austin Lolos and Colton Talley, helped me put it in there.
That looks good.
It's a little messy in here.
It looks like a 6th order then.
It is a 6.
Okay.
I like the lows, man. The lower the better for me. Windy, as windy as I can get.
Yes, sir.
I want it to be unique.
Yeah. Okay.
Ford Flex C-pillar. A lot of people do B-pillar.
Yes.
Like I said, it's a Salt 4K.
Yes, sir.
Right now, work back there.
Anything behind the back when you open the back, or is it all right here?
More long back there.
It is? Okay.
I'm gonna put more back there. Please don't fall back there.
Okay.
Pop out and check it out.
Yes, sir. Can I see the back? Open? Oh, you actually have to use a string.
Yeah.
Wow.
I broke the whole welding lock system off of there.
Man.
Out of there.
Yes, sir.
It was loading off the back before.
Okay. So did this slide in?
Yes, it's a slide in.
Okay.
We put the wings around it to seal it off.
Nice.
Best we could there. It's holding up pretty good.
Yeah, it looks really good. I like it. Nice. So this is your ports, like your lower sections down this way for your 6th order? The bottom end?
Yes.
Where do you know where it starts at?
It's about right here.
Okay, right here. Got it. Awesome. All right. Looks good. Thank you very much, man.
Thank you.
Thank you. Yes, sir. Right, if you do the light in the box again real quick, in the box. Nice. So those are like 3 6-inch or 4-inch. Yeah. Wow. All right.
So that glows in the dark.
Okay. Oh, I see it. Yeah. Yeah, you can see it. Yes, sir.
At nighttime, it's a little lit up.
Yeah. That looks good.
Rock lights under the bottom of it.
All right.
It's been fun. It's been about 3 years of working on it. Probably
Okay.
6 different setups in here to get it
Really?
like this.
Okay.
I was after the windy dude and watching you guys grow.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
On YouTube, it's like, nope, I want more. I want more.
Yes, sir.
Keep going.
Awesome. All right.
I learned from the streets, I roll with my
Awesome, man. Thank you for the demo. Really low. When it hit that low frequency, it didn't fall off. It actually got windier, so you did a good job with the box.
Yes, sir. That's what I wanted. Like I said, it's a soft 4K.
Yes, sir.
Now work back there.